Welcome to this brief guide on how to sort text in Microsoft Word. If you've ever found yourself in Microsoft Word and needing to manually sort a list of text, numbers, or dates, you know that this can be time-consuming and mundane. Using the sort feature in Microsoft Word helps make this a breeze. Here you can see I have my recipe for Bob's stuffed banana peppers, and I have all of my ingredients right here. I'd like to have these all in alphabetical order because I'm a little bit OCD like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of the text that I'd like to sort, and then I'm going to use the home row in my ribbon. And in the paragraph section, we have an icon for sort. Selecting this option will give us a pop-up in just a moment. And this pop-up is our sorting text options. Now, the first thing we'll need to do is select how we would like to sort our text. We can choose either paragraphs, headings, or any custom fields if we wish. For this demonstration, we'll just go with paragraphs. We then get to choose what type of data we have, whether it be dates, numbers, or in our case, just straight text. And then we have to choose, would we like our text in descending order or ascending order? For this demonstration, I'll go with ascending. You can also choose whether or not you have a header row or no header row. And then clicking on the options button at the bottom will let you set custom delimiters if you wish to, depending on how your data is currently formatted, and whether or not you like your sort options to be case sensitive. You'll also have an extra option with the drop-down menu should your data be in a different language, say for instance, Japanese or Korean. For this demonstration, it's just in English, so I'll hit OK, and then I'll select OK again. And in no time at all of my ingredients are now in alphabetical order, from banana peppers all the way through to Worcestershire sauce. And that is how you sort text inside Microsoft Word. I hope this tip saves you plenty of time in the future, making sure that all of your data is in the order you need it to be. And I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.